Have you ever thought about how does that hell look like? On 11:58 p.m. September 1, 1923, the Great Kanto earthquake happened. For people who live in Kanto area, the earthquake has turned their home into hell. About 142,800 people died in this earthquake. Almost $1 billion lost in that time, which is about $14 billion now. When the earthquake struck, most people are cooking at home, and stoves were in use throughout Tokyo and Yokohama. Fires sprang up everywhere within moments of the quake. In Yokohama alone, 88 separate fires began to burn at once. After that, thousands of people ran to the beach, jumping into the sea to escape the flames. However, a few hours later, an explosion occurred in the oil depot near the beach, and more than 100,000 tons of oil were injected into the bay. The fire ignited the oil on the surface of the water, and the bay instantly became a sea of fire. More than that, the earthquake caused tsunami waves at a speed of 750 kilometers per hour and 10 minutes high to coast of Sagami Bay, Izu Island, and the east coast of Izu Peninsula with minutes. The people who took refuge in the sea were all burned to the death, and almost 5,000 people are died by the tsunami. The earthquake had a magnitude of 7.9. That is one of the most destructive earthquakes in the world. The epicenter is beneath the Izu Oshima Island in Sagami Bay. Part of the convergent boundary ruptured and the Philippine Sea Plate subducted beneath the Oahu's plate along the line of the Sagami's route, which caused this destructive earthquake. By the time since the transportation were totally destroyed, and the Great Kanto earthquake caused a dramatic uphill and depression of the ground, the earth was lifted as high as 24 feet in Misaki, changing the shape of the shoreline, which resulted in thousands of landslides. The worst occurred in Edo province. Since people cannot receive any message from outside, a false rumor was spread that Koreans were taking advantage of the disaster. Anti-Korean groups are feared and slaughtered every Korean or Korean-like people. The government reported 231 Koreans were killed by bombs in Tokyo and Yokohama in the first week of September. Independent reports said the number of dead is much more, ranging from 6,000 to 10,000. Kenneth Pell says the 1923 earthquake does sort of begin to reverse some of the liberal tendency that appeared right after the World War I. After the earthquake, there are measurable increase in right-wing patriotic groups in Japan that are really the groundwork of what is called Japanese fascism. Thanks for watching this video. and these are some references that I have used in the video. Thank you so much.